Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2011 3 paper. The question is the Fourier expansion f of t is equal to a naught plus summation n goes to 1 to infinity n cos n omega t plus bn sin 1 omega t of the periodic signal shown below will contain what are the non-zero terms. So you see this as even signal. So if the signal is even, Fourier transform Fourier series contains a naught and an. So bn should not be there. So a is wrong, c is wrong. Right? If it is odd only, then it will have bn. You see, this is one full cycle from here to here, one cycle. Second half, this is two half cycle. First half cycle and second half cycle are reflected, right? So that is x of t plus t by 2 is equal to minus x of t, right? So if you shift one thing, this is opposite to this one, right? Anti-symmetric. This is plus, this is minus. You see, it is plus, this is opposite, right? So this is off-phase symmetry. When it is off-phase symmetry, Fourier series has only odd coefficient. So we have a naught and an, and n is equal to odd number 1, 3, 5 up to infinity. So a naught an and n is equal to 1, 3, 5 infinity. Thank you.